Cypress Avenue.
Go Buille, glóir ceoil Donoghue bhó chathair Corky, is Myjyn Louise Cantal.
Agus is Myjyn Tarachó snodí haar sé ihe splódrach. Feici Myjyn an áit seo long go béal. Le cuite na ceoltóirí agus na bannaí is fearr an Éireann.
Tá ceart go tarach agus hána blianta gheas cuite na hanca is mó ar an státe seo an Cypress Avenue.
Oh, so den siad an cíal go bhfuil Myjyn so?
Yeah, tá nó ceart agus sibh sa bhla linn a chuirte ghail seo chuibh Buille. Éireannach na sraithe agus roint rap in Myjyn Éireannach tarach mis stúil go mór leis. Sa tiglin, Buille den Kabin Krew. Óbhlách lia, BlueNiall.
Áránní even agus ceoltóir na geoltóirí tá Emily Donoghue ling freisin.
Ach ar dús sas agus splóidir, SexyTadhg.
Fearr bon nu le coch fwac och skirt a gar when jag gonna do mis fwac hey knock and ta dark like the mask on the horde muck is the such a Jesus is even love for the faint when needs so for that you get a photo shoot Dom in my good now, Victor, Dom in my high heels. This Victor, Dom in left road, my class and I enemies. He's free to Kirkmore, it's the love of culture. On all the bottom of it, he's food to knock. Oh, I said, oh, ma, oh, ma, oh, yeah. It's even long to carry us all. I said, oh, my, oh, yeah. Don't win the strong, yeah, yeah, yeah. Jordan Higgins, air on guitar. chuirrma ceisteoirí an ceapan tú go mbeidh mé i golfar agus dúirt sí nó ceapan mbeidh tú a ceoltóir agus dúirt mé sin leihí agus in istá sí réidir mar tá bhd níos mó airgid sa golf.
Well. SexyTadhg cara, can tú?
Go má arás rís le sexy Louise Cancelar.
Oh, well, gur míle mágad. You know just what to say. Listen, Maris gná ag brathnú unreal inis dumping gúna.
Well, is le cléir garbhí an gúna seo rin si é deara agus a Krew agus tá cómhhuiic osú rinne mid show fashion leihí ar an deir seachtain agus thug si an gúna seo dom mar frontanas, so is lumsa an gúna seo inis, so beidh sé le feicáil ar chuileáte timpeall an tír mlíana.
You know, cean rudí is fearlam fuat Tadhg agus tá sé ráte gom le fada an lá agus tá tú có unapologetically tú hain.
Oh, gur mágad.
Like, conas.
Well, sure, níl éon rogha eile go is dócha. Cá mé cuid map dom a héal igen sin leiscéil dom héin nó ag cumad mé héin níos lú agus iráis isteach sna scátha is dócha. So tá just bhíar mé seo a dhéanamh. Fiú dom héin agus don fáiste tá leistigh dom freisin.
Tá sin gáling. Cad as dánig an grád an seanós agus an tradach an gailge?
Well, maithair, so tá maithair ó ceantrá, so hagan mógrád a bhilga ó sesin agus sin cuaime go dtí gailscoil agus gail láiste agus bhí bríd róiste ganas ar an gailscoil a sin, so upbríd róiste, seriously, you know, currently an gailge a bhaim agus chun cín ag airlach agus chuile áit sa tír, so thom cómhíoch asta, so then ag teacht amach ó manscoil thus mé ag scríomh ceol trín gailge agus rinne mé cháirde le daoine a bhí ina Éireannach agus gailgóirí agus just tríd sin, tríd an ceol agus tríd alíonn cumad mé mo chuid gailge agus tom cómhíoch as sin mar gan é sin ní bheith mé an seo.
Well, fair play, I'm delighted go to so. Cúpla mé Tadhg, greibh tú anna bha ag mar golf.
Yeah, well, bhí mé mar star golfar nóir bhíos ní so rinne mé cuaime go dtí an Albin chun golf imirt ar son na Éireann agus bhí me hisismóirí ag gcónaí chuirt mé héana agus mar dréthach go dtí an cuasa golf agus bhí mé mar ceann in a príomh imóirí golf óige in Éireann agus dúirt me bhaimílumm nóir bhí mé an óg dúirt si mar chuir mé ceisteoirí an ceapan tú go mbeidh mé i golfar agus dúirt si nó ceapan mbeidh tú a ceoltóir agus dúirt mé sin leihí agus in istá sí réidir mar tá bhd níos mó airgid to golf.
I know. I do like sort of crossover in of an blion chacún agus beidir like, you know, Tadhg ag talk live on Ryder Cup.
No,
agus is like ag Jada. Yeah.
Agus tá mé like
there's a crossover like it's very of
music video dhéanamh ar an cuasa golf just absolutely bombing. Like he's on fairway, so
right, fe sé cad éon rud is mó atá ag tacht suas duite.
Ceol nua, féaltaí teacht sús, be me dul ar turas, níos déanaí sa bliain, sasna agus sa ratan agus néireann. So yeah, just gnóthach agus tásúil gom tú héana eáil a ríiste bliain a is gom member couches eile.
SexyTadhg is tíos fearr, gur míle mágas. Beg SexyTadhg arás ar an stáitse níos déanaí inis rapálaí radicach agus aránaí even a rá boom dún a nacht. Seo BlueNiall agus Myjyn.
"2020 with the fallout. Every single venue got bought out. Self-doubt starts to gnaw now. Got a couple G's and they're all down. 2020 with the fallout. Every single venue got bought out. Self-doubt starts to gnaw now. Got a couple G's and they're all down. Take a hit, I've been in this since just a little kid. Oh yeah, with the drip. I remember needles in the grass when I'm going to get chips. I was in the back with the click, 8-bit playing Pokemon is lit. Now I'm anxious as a and jumping like a fish every time I hear a wish. They just sit back. Getting kickbacks, kinda sick, cause we had two parents. One was corrupt, the other no heart, sad we had to bear it, yo. Economically it slowed down, but I'll be okay when it rolls out. Other people sleeping in the snow now. It's kinda mad how it goes down. 2020 with the fallout. Every single venue got bought out. Every single venue got bought out. A leprechaun politician with greedy laws. When they get into power, they're fatal with flaws. Cronies, backhands, and making stupid laws, yeah. Yo, I hate leprechaun politicians that govern by superstition. Their copycats got no vision, but winning the Eurovision, I get dizzy from repetition. Is this the Irish condition? Repetition makes me dizzy, made me kinda hate my city. Back in the day, my cadet was fizzy. My cadet was fizzy, oh, 2020 with the fallout. Every single venue got bought out. 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 Every single venue got every single venue got bought out. Every single venue got bought out. Every single venue got bought out. Is she my bra? When every single venue got bought out. Is she my creep? Is my Sheinnteoir boy? Every single venue got bought out. 2020 with the fallout. And every single venue got bought out. Come on,
Lads, a leid de hi ceol. Ach, anish, run ó ceoltóir íontach. Atá lonithe an seo a gurci. Donoghue rúlia, Buille. Do, Emily Donoghue.
Lift me up and down. You turn me inside out. Spin me round in circles to leave me with no doubt. You're putting me on your shoulders, or hold me in your hands. Wrap your arms around me to help me understand why I'm drawn to you like a moth to a flame. I crashed my car and I changed my name. If it meant that I would have you till the end, till the end of days. You stand me up and count me, or put me in a row. Dot my eyes and send me, but still my time alone. 'Cause I'm drawn to you like a moth to a flame. I crash my car and I change my name. If it meant that I would have you till the end, to the end of days. Cause I'm drawn to you like a moth to a flame. I crashed my car and I drew in my name. If it meant that I would have you till the end, till the end of days. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thanks.
Rosie, na big brunner, Doctor Sola is eat a tree alarm with took it a fordun on Baba is on road is nisberofer feeding spawna ermaro shindu is father unrain Alei Onne Gurinu Trust na schlift aganakes lemi Feota armwe is anena kamele keger morantro is vicholte Efdi is moro shindu.
Tá Krew agus ceol buinte amach ag an Kabin Krew le cúpla bliana nuas agus a nacht beg trúir den na ceoltóirí is fearr Kabin linn dús sé tiny.
just wanna let shit go. Let shit still want to cut them ropes. Don't let shit steal, don't sit and hope. Better days down here, I'm just letting go. Tired of waiting, tired of stabbing, tired of taking all these beatings. Not happy where I am, but I still don't wanna go yet. I'm patiently waiting for the day I can finally leave. And I'm all caught up in grief, but the day I can finally see it feels like quicksand. That shit is past my knees, can hardly breathe, but I'm planning to reach everything that I dream with a brain with a scheme. It seems that I'm tearing the scene when I'm tearing the scene, but I'm only 17. Keep pushing, 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 keep pushing. This one's called Chalk It Down. Oh my God, people stand up, let's do it. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. I'm making bones both sides of the River Lee. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. Tiny's gonna kill the beat and that's a guarantee. I just gotta keep it going, steady motion in the ocean. Movements making locomotives, all I wanna do is bounce. Staying in the moment, stay devoted to my focus. Tunes I making moments, blow the roof off of this house. Not playing, never joking, let's straighten out the motives. I just gotta get it going, then I free your head of those. I'm saying I have spoken, it's the truth that I have chosen. Got it down and pound for pound, but you couldn't bring an ounce of greatness. I check the boxes, I ace it. I break the lock, I don't change it. I take the shot, yeah, I brace it. I impress the lock, cream up the crop. My quality is no faking, so I take a lot of digs and shots and give them the right placement. I'm outrageous. No, I don't need no statement. I flip this verse on its cranial to prevent you from fainting. I'll get up in your faces and I'll rap like I'm famous, like I'm one of the greats, which you learn I never hearing. I'll be brushing that off because I'm never caring. Those bullets just bounce back off. I'll let me standing unshaken. Tell them get on my level. They don't know Tiny's been raising. They can't even see where I'm aiming. They're just a cheap imitation. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. I'm making bones both sides of the River Lee. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. Tiny's gonna kill the beat and that's a guarantee. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. Chalk it down, cheeky chalk it down. Can't use cypress out of you.
Rhaid me deras go gabaracht bhaile clia ina éonar an or seo. Seo chuamh, BlueNiall. Hey!
Got to Osmo Vic Lane, breached it with it. Say, crying for the kid days, longing for a still brain, savage like a Krew, beauty Aram Rook, years of love reigns, I'm a curse.
She gum, finger, cranberry taste, she linger, and she made me bitter. Sheinnteoh, she's a singer, Irish girl named Aisling. Big yolk strobe was flashing, so my heart had to put it back in. Do it for the flag, do it for the caption. Irish girl named Aisling. Big yolk strobe was flashing, so my heart had to put it back in. Do it for the flag, do it for the caption. I was at London, clapped in. Too much, I was acting. Honey, she was coming back in. Sheila, with the hands clasping. I was bored in the OOs. Sprayed links, ozone. Maybe that's why the flow's cold. She red wine like Roho. Under Dublin mountains, I keep it 100, but I grew up in the thousands. Ghost estate from a ghost town. Big man, can't knock down. Time flows, can't go back now. And I'm gonna be, can't back down. Bop then twist. Twist then bop. Hando, Tredo, Caher, Hando, Tredo, what? She the queen Arniva, and she wants Cucullin. Slit, fire emoji, Tinder, nasty like Twitter. Ach, nobby clish, then nobby click. Nobby Nike, nobby tick. Then she took my Umbro top off, smoking my section lock off. Chucky, Vime level, Harleen Vichy, Flucky. Cúpla nascas female clucky. Tá mé sústa marin, tá sé mucky. Irish girl named Aisling. Big yolk strobe was flashing, so my heart out, had to put it back in. Do it for the flag, do it for the caption. She gun, finger. Cranberry taste, she linger. And she made me bitter. Sheinnteoh, she's a singer. What? Yeah, this girl is too much. Couple years in London, then she left me bruised up. Now I'm back and they chat when I do stuff. Dublin is a trap and it's drilling too, huh? But I had a dream just last night that I really blew up. I was in a Maserati with a girl from Krew. She was skidding on the Emirates while she sang the blues good. And if you have a dream, then I think chase it you should. But I think I lost my future, it's not looking too good. Used to have a mop, but she flew on to new stuff. Hate my job, I'm making coffee, doing brewed up. Head pounded from the vodka, then my lip got chewed up by this. Gorilla Margaret Bacardi. Ashling, big yoke strobe was flashing. So my heart out, had to put it back in. Do it for the flag, do it for the caption. She's a skank finger, cranberry taste, she linger. And she made me bitter. Sheinnteoir, she's a singer. Irish girl named Ashling, big yoke strobe was flashing. So my heart had to put it back in. Do it for the flag, do it for the caption. She's a skank finger, cranberry taste, she linger. And she made me bitter. Sheinnteoir, she's a singer. Gurmila Margaret Bacardi, that was Ashling. Shuma Éireannach Ashling. Gurmila Margaret.
Inistum fí an balaclava seo.
Yeah.
Balaclava Celtach, chana?
Well, no, sure my ig in our era, just dimming my ig. So, sin mar tá.
BlueNiall a chumrádaí.
Last man sure.
So inistum. Céin cúlartá agus inistum fú féin.
Is mis a aster trín fochóhis an fochonsias na Éireann agus an down agus saola gúil tú ag si Etlam Ryanair tá ticéid séir fáilte agad tá pótert agus ceapan tú gúil tú ag dul go London ach tá tú ag dul siar sa star tá tú ag dul chun an tauci agus tá tú ag teachtar ais go Éireann an sin ag deire. Agus an cúra like rugach méid 3 bliain ó hin bhfuil mé le cholínálinn. Yeah, just an sin tá mé sa taucinis, so tá mé déanamh mé íhil. You know, sult of buint as agus Krew le na daoine so ná just gur féidir lom.
Inistum faoi an balaclava seo.
Yeah.
Balaclava Celtach, chana?
Well, no, seo má ag in our era.
Right.
Yeah, nuair cú mé ar lár, you know, bhra mé weim an baile bhí cua orm, agus de réir sa tháinig an cua chun cín, just dimmig má ag. So, sin mar tá.
Oh, so seo d'aigenis.
Seo má ag faoi láthair. Tá a géirí beidir í aimsiú arás ag stáid aigen bus. Faoi láthair, yeah, níl mór an.
Inistum, chatú seall hála London. Inistum faoi sin.
London, well, sin ag lítar ar tír an óg, you know, na leanta seo.
Yeah.
Ein rud gur bháileat is féad leat é aimsiú sin, ach na rudí gur atá is tábhachtaí ní aimseo for an sin iad dit, you know, an baile, an cóúidir, you know, teocht na nína in Éireann agus an fearr gceil cultúr níl sé le fáil.
Ach, thula mé, gur hosa tú pop-up gceilteach tála sin.
Hosig mé, rinne mé iireacht, you know, agus tá lán daoine, buailí tú lena lán daoine atá sa bhád céine, mar, you know, an taithí atá méid denmh chuirsíos air sin taithí óisín dar nóí agus is óisín sin a lig, you know, gach duine Éireannach fágan siad agus muna bhágan siad tá siad ag smaoineh faoi agus má ágan siad tá siad ag géirí teachtar ais agus sin mar bhíonn sa cultúr.
Céif an géad a chara. Cad ba bhó a hasamach idir rap London agus rap in Éireann?
Rud atá agan sa tíir seo ná cé nach bhfuil an tradiisiún like rap agan an seo, tá tradiisiún like filiochta agan an seo. You know, nuair tá daoine ban ag cruthú rap ceol, amanta tá si just a gcuid an cultúr sin atá cruthaithe ag, you know, diaspora an Afric. Ach sílim féin an leiséir sin ná do cultúr féin a roinnt, agus tá lán le roinnt agan in Éireann, you know, tá an ceol tradiisiúnta, tar janga, agus an taithí sa tíir seo, like, you know, tá an cólíniú, tá gach den á flé timpeall an down iniu, tá rudí dúirc ag toirliú mar Seldin, Fallistín agus in áitna eile, ach tá an taithí sin agan lena céad de bliain, agus támod i cruthú ceol lena céad de bliain leis an taithí sin ann, so actually tá eolas ann ón our Sheinnteoir gur féidir an right leis an down ag an bámanta seo go háirithe chuma.
BlueNiall a chara. Sciúis gur a míle maithagus as bheith seo nó.
Gur bhíonn agad.
Tom tain leis a smuintí ag smach dúm me ceann ag caiint leis an duine ag seasa fit a dómh gachor eolaíonn sé cloisiom mo go gan imní gan deu 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 Mi gachrod cercalor ag an dara. Tá méid smuoineh róláidir, níl méid smuoineh leis mo bheabhar, ach gach oide him beag sé ann. Cadíonn smuointí ag smachtú am mo ceann, níl méid caint leis an duine, ag seasamh mit dom, bar gachar eile rion sé ní cloisiom in go. Gach oide him ní beag sé ann. Níl éon smuointí ag smachtú am mo ceann, níl méid caint leis an duine, ag seasamh mit dom, bar gachar eile rion sé ní cloisiom in go. Ní chuir sé riile
go Buille an seo in Cypress Avenue i Gríleoir a chathair churcií ó thuaisceart na cathrach atá sí. Duine eile den Kabin Krew? Rosaleen Brady.
It's Misha Rosaleen, and this song is called Igdosa. Hope you enjoy. Ik fake into a new bimini chivalry. Ta an sailor, ta in my ring loity. Ta make dear, we're got it ta car air down. And on it, our horde dumb account. Bugger, I no fake shit. Maar niet lang is on salir. Bugger, I no fake shit. Maar niet lang is on salir. Maar ik ga aan hem, fake de cree. Ta shaker bosti. Ta spondum on soupness, ta spondum on plea. Ta shaker bosti. Commit, lanen de right. Ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa. Commit, lanen de right. Ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa. Cypress out, make some noise. No be a queen, I need smoke. Need raw meat, sugar joe. Need fiddling on spiritual. It's need fiddling on natural yield too. Lanik may it's coming called a Harleen. Lanik may Shankla Imrin. Lanik may it's coming called a Harleen. Lanik may Shankla Imrin. Mohita on him, figure the cree. Toshe Kerboshi. Taspondum on sickness, taspondum on sleep. Toshe Kerboshi. Commit, lanen de right. Ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa. Commit, lanen de right. Ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa, ik dosa. You mightn't even perform the song, but it's just the fact of writing through it and processing the emotion in like a healthy way. It really helps a lot of people, and it's just really empowering.
Eileen, Tiny, agus Rosaleen. Kabin Krew. Well, quid the Kabin Krew. Fáilte go Buille. Very welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry lads, tá muidig brand new go hall in Ceoil. We could be our own ceoil all dressed in black, couldn't we? Yeah, what would we call ourselves?
Blackstreet Boys. Instead of the Backstreet Boys.
Tiny, get in! Inis dom piasa faoin Kabin Krew agus man maid a bhíonn si bhíag déanamh lena chéile.
Tá gach duine sa cabin difriúil. Tá genre difriúil like tá pop, rap, hip hop like
So, ona ran scríomh mé sin faoi mumní agus cur stadaigh mar Tom difriúil Tom aisteach is gach mé, so tá sé faoi just be yourself and don't let others bring you down, because at the end of the day, everyone's dealing with their own thing and you're your own individual.
Yeah. Tiny, will you tell me a little bit about your relationship with the Kabin Krew? Because I know for you, it's like a second home.
You know, I practically grew up there and, you know, I honed my craft growing up with, you know, the likes of these two and the likes of Gary, and, you know, I've made such close relationships with everyone up there, and I've really learned how to perfect what I do, so it means a lot to me.
Yeah. And what inspires you?
A lot of things. My own life, my own journey, the people I look up to, my friends, my family, my interests, where I want to go, stuff like that.
That's so lovely. And you find that music is obviously a really positive thing in your life?
Yeah, for sure. The most, I'd say. You know, it's the best outlet you can have, and I'll always say to people that it is the best form of expression.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
It can help you.
You're nodding away,
It
Rosie.
can help you through so much, genuinely.
Yeah.
I do agree with Tiny. I've definitely noticed a change in literally everyone who's come to the cabin with their confidence and their mental health. Once they come in, they write out their emotions, they get it out into a song. You mightn't even perform the song, but it's just the fact of writing through it and processing the emotion in a healthy way. It really helps a lot of people, and it's just really empowering.
Oh, tá sé sin go háling. And do you know what? I think that anybody tuning in tonight that has heard of the Kabin Krew might have heard of them because of the big hit, The Spark, that was everywhere last summer. And something I really noticed was gach aine bhíor an stáitse na páistí óga sin had so much money and they were full of confidence performing, and maybe that is a great testament to the confidence you build in the Kabin Krew, and the cabin being way more than just somewhere people come to sing and dance. You know?
Yeah. No, we definitely a lot of the kids, they kind of see us as role models, and we definitely try and kind of
Give them
wisdom and steer them in the right way.
Yeah.
Where it's even if we're having a hard day, it's
put the smile on for them.
Put it on for them and show them that even if we're going through a hard time, whatever they're going through, if they can see us get through it, they can too.
Lads, tá sibh co-inspiroidach. I feel like I'm régle trudda now. I'm ready to get on the stage and fight. We might do a little Blackstreet Boys number in a rud éigeantar and start níos déanaí, Tiny. What do you reckon?
Absolutely, I love it. Let's do it.
Yeah, unreal. Gur míle mágah, lads. Tá más na mílta ar géad ceoltóir eile agus tá anna chud taíocha ag Sheinnteoir le grúpaí ar nós Billerwood agus Túcán thar na blianta ach an nacht ar an stáitse cloisimuid a chuid ceol féin le Louis Butler, Sheinnteoir, Emily Donoghue.
He pays the fare, you stand in line. Please keep your hands inside the ride at all times. Oceans of colors fly by in your mind. Carousel dreaming. He pays the fare, you shoot 10 cans, but he leaves it there standing with a gun in your hand. Candy floss melting in candy floss stands. Carousel dreaming, 'cause he wants you to eat out of his hand. He wants you to stay where he told you to stay. Only to speak when it's part of his plan. I know that man. He pulls you in, you stand your ground. Houses of mirrors and merry-go-rounds. Masquerade villain
contorted by God, carousel dreaming, 'cause he wants you to eat out of his hand. He wants you to stay where he told you to stand, only to speak when it's part of his plan. I know that man. I know that man. I know that man. I know that man. 'Cause I've been that man who wants you to eat out of his hand, who wants you to stay where he told you to stand, only to speak when it's part of his plan. I know that man. Thank you very much.
Well, atá deire na stratha buailte linn agus go dé mar ihe úntaach chatte go na ríis le céile an seo in Cypress Avenue ná nadidir fuút a tarach ag mise briste.
Louise Tom Crew briste ach té go Sheinnteoir TG4 áit bhfuil na chláracha lig agus ná den darmad cuineál súsling na meán ho síalta.
Sinné go dtíireach ná a chuirde. Túna bháin eile? Seo a goibh SexyTadhg.
Want to drink consequence with a fake tan, Sally Hansen or Bondi Sands. Only smokes and drinks, setting up in pink chin, but there's never not a cherry ice vape or hot. 16 crown queen at the deli, making Hazambos with a fresh jazz set. Graduated, educated woman of the world in your heart. She will never be a townie girl. Come on, TG4. I said, a townie girl, there's nothing better in the whole wide world. Put your picture with her, there's nothing better than a townie girl. I love a townie girl, there's nothing better in the whole wide world. Catch her on the bar, put your picture with her, there's nothing better than a townie girl. Legless singing in the taxi, betting out tunes with the girls and the gays said, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a party in the USA. She looks a bit of kneecap, Fontaine's girl, yours #1 fan of the Mary Wallop Birds. It's a bird, it's a play, it's a supermodel babe. It's an Irish edition, it's a townie girl. Townie girl, there's nothing better in the whole wide world. Well, catch her on the bar, put your picture with her, there's one. Oh, I love a townie girl, there's nothing better in the whole wide world. Well, catch her on the bar, put your picture with her, there's nothing better than a tell me about it. We do a bit of Britney. How would you do a bit of Britney? I said, give me more, 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 more. I said, give me more, 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 give me more. I said, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. TG4 from Sexy.